Hello, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we move through the portal of fire and sink into the energy of the phoenix. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, in and out. Feel your body resting here, supported by the earth beneath you. Notice the weight of your body, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, sinking deep into the earth. With every exhale, release tension, heaviness, doubt into the ground. With every inhale, draw up the warmth of the earth, its stability, its steady heartbeat. Continuing to breathe, letting your breath anchor you into safety. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing in front of a great stone archway. Beyond it, two doors glow in the distance. One door shines with a pale, cold light. It hums with the frequency of fear, scarcity, doubt. The other door burns with golden flame, warm and alive. This is the door of miracles, of faith, of the life you truly long to live. Stand here for a moment. Feel the pull of both, the temptation to remain where it is familiar, even heavy, and the whisper of the unknown, promising something greater. You are at a threshold, a portal. With your whole being, call upon your courage. Place a hand on your heart and say silently or aloud, I choose faith. I choose miracles. I choose to rise. And now step toward the golden door. Feel the heat on your skin as you reach out your hand and open it. On the other side is a great fire, but it does not burn you. It welcomes you. It is the fire of the phoenix. Step into the flames. Let them wrap around you, licking your skin, illuminating your bones, purifying everything you no longer need. Fear, doubt, shame, exhaustion, all of it melts into ash. Stay here. Imagine every breath you take, stoking the flames brighter. Every exhale, releasing another weight you've carried. Repeat silently, I surrender to the fire. I allow myself to be renewed. Now within this fire, the flames begin to quiet, and you find yourself in stillness. In this stillness, listen. Your heart has something to say. It may come as words, as an image, as a sensation, as a memory. Trust whatever arises as you listen. The fire begins to shimmer and swirl, and from the ashes, wings unfurl from your back. You are rising, radiant and renewed. Feel yourself lift higher, glowing with light, with strength, with clarity. You are both human and flame, both body and miracle. As you rise, whisper to yourself, every choice is a portal. Today I choose miracles. Soar for a moment in your imagination over oceans and forests, cities, over the life you've lived and the life you are stepping into. You are reborn, a light with faith and devotion. Slowly let the image of the wings fold into your body. Feel your humanness again, your heart beating, your breath flowing, your body resting. Press your palms together at your heart and whisper this blessing to yourself. May I always remember the flame within me. May I rise again and again. May I walk through every portal with faith. Take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the flame and the phoenix within you. Namaste.